In today's video, I'm going to show you this beautiful garden and I'm going to teach you how you can actually grow these vegetables around your home in a very small space with little money, and you don't need to worry about land. No land, no problem. We got you. This is going to be an interesting video for you, and if you are watching my face for the very first time, my name is Asperia and I am a very passionate farmer. You are welcome. Subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends, and leave comments for us. Let's dive into it. First of all, identify the type of vegetables you want in your compound. Do you want leafy vegetables, fruity ones? Do you want spices? Do you want, anything that you'd like to grow? And then that is going to help you to determine the type of containers that you are going to use in your compound. If you have money, flower vessels are very good. If you have a minimum amount of money, you can use the sacks. You can as well use the car tires. You can use the open field. You can use any format as long as you're going to organize it in a very beautiful way possible. If it is leafy vegetables, they actually grow in any container because they have roots that do not actually go far in the soil. So in containers they do better, in sacks they do better. But if they are fruity vegetables like eggplants, they really need you to grow them in a place where they're going to have enough space for their roots. So for the beauty of your compound, you can buy different colors of the flower pots as you can see them in the screen. You can buy depending on what your choices and preferences are, and then you can as well arrange them in a way that you would like them to be arranged. Like you see us here, we usually try to be creative by having different colors depending on the place where we are planting these gardens. They look very beautiful. And so you can as well grow your tomatoes in a very organized way in raised beds, as you can see, and they still look beautiful also even in your compound. And so sometimes you can as well choose the smaller size pots. As you can see, the veggies there, they don't need a lot. And then you can as well use the recycled buckets of paint, the car tires. You can use things that in your kitchen that you're not using, the saucepans, as long as you can be able to create a few holes inside for the roots to be, for the water not to be stagnant in the plant, and as well as the roots to be able to pass through in case they must pass through, so you don't have to struggle. You can use anything around your home. And then for people without soil, land completely, we can use this format, what we call a food tower. We construct it for you and then you grow your crops on it. And they look so beautiful. They can grow. It carries close to 150 seedlings, and you can grow different varieties of vegetables on that food tower. As well as these pots, you can grow different. As long as they are leafy vegetables, like I've said, they will not need much from you. Like you can see in the video, the vegetables, as long as the soil is well prepared, you have put some organic or inorganic, some fertilizers, it can grow. The veggies can grow very well, and you harvest them right in the middle of your compound or your backyard, and you eat healthy foods. So if you're watching my video, please, you can actually stop buying vegetables. When you look at these flower pots, they are going to look really nice in your compound, but as that's at the same time, they are going to give you edible flowers, where you're going to be picking veggies at your convenience without getting to go to the market and spend a lot of money. It's not very expensive because it's worth investing in your health. You're going to eat healthy, you're going to have them look good, so you can actually invest in this and you will not regret doing that. If you are watching my channel for the very first time, please subscribe, support my channel to grow, share the videos, and yeah, I love you so much. So the work that we do, we establish gardens for schools, individuals, homes, hotels. Maybe you want these flower pots around your house, or you don't know how to do. We train you, we maintain the gardens for you at a cost, and it's very, very affordable. You're going to call me on my number that is in the description and in the bio, and I will get back to you. I will help you to grow these vegetables around your home. Just like you look at this food tower, it's carrying close to 200 seedlings on it, and it's very important to have this around your home, especially for those living in urban areas who do not have enough land. So you can eat vegetables. Today you can just eat kale, the other day you eat spinach, next time you eat pork choy. Like, you can always enjoy these vegetables, and as you look at it, it can stay for a year when it is still intact with the vegetables on, as long as you have taken very good care of it. So don't be there and you do not have vegetables around your home. You can actually grow them even without land. Don't worry, we are going to teach you. So subscribe to my channel. I've shared a video on how we made this food tower, how we set up these gardens. I know you can be helped and your life won't be the same.